are here at Lake of the Pines, Brushy Creek, Site 110. If you're familiar with this channel, this is actually the same exact spot, same campsite that we stayed at last fall, right after we got this travel trailer. And the biggest difference that they did since then, and I believe this was in October when we stayed here. It may have been the 1st of November, but we have these things right. This right here. This used to be asphalt. This driveway, now it's concrete. And last time it was a little unlevel, but now it's really level. So that's the biggest change that they did here. There's some other differences around the park that I won't get into. But yeah, so last week we went camping at Lake Bob Sandlin State Park. Came home early, if you watch the video, because of weather. This time we said weather is not going to scare us away, and the forecast showed a lot of rain. And well, the rain came and went this morning, and the forecast has changed. So we're spending this week here at Lake of the Pines, lake I grew up camping at, fishing at, all my life. So this is home for me. And just with the travel trailer, it's about 45 minutes away from the house. Without the travel trailer, 30 minutes. So it's not far at all. We're in the whole area of Longview and Marshall, Texas, Jefferson, Dangerfield, just kind of in this whole area here. So it's a real popular lake with the locals and all that. I've gotten a lot of fishing videos here that I've filmed over the years. But anyway, but yeah, that's the biggest thing right here is this pavement. They instead of asphalt, they put concrete down, and this thing is nice. This is, you know, when we pulled up to the spot, it was like, yes, sweet. Now this spot, Site 110, is it's actually 2 spots. So you actually pay for 2 spots here. We like it because it's 2 spots. And it's more room, and it's away from everybody. You're right next to the boat ramp right here. And for me, that's some entertainment. But look at this view, guys. Look at this view. Like, just to be able to wake up to that and everything. I've just been sitting here. We played in the water a little bit earlier today. We have a pass where it's like we pay for a whole year, and you can go into all the day use spots. Just drive in. You have a little thing you hang off your mirror. And so even though Brushy Creek's camping area does have swimming holes, including right here, we decided to go to this other one that's just right across over here. Hopefully the camera can kind of pick it up. This spot right over here is called, I believe it's called Lakeside Park, I think. Lakeside something. We always called it Sandy Beach when I was a kid. So it's right there by the dam. So right on the dam pretty much. All right, so these are your, you have 2 waters right here. So if you have 2 RVs, you have 2 connections. And then over here you have your electricity hookups. You have 50, 30, 20. And then obviously you have the same thing just right over here. 50, 30, 20. And then here is your water hookup. This is one we're using. So, but you don't have any sewer hookups here. If you're using Starlink like we are, Starlink faces north. These are north sky. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Speed is pretty good. You know, a few obstacles, but nothing like last week at Bob Sandlin. But yeah, Starlink. I just have it set up on this second table, because you get 2 tables here, 2 fire rings, but 1 lantern hook. That's all you get. You don't get any more. So with that, I'm going to end the video here. If you have any questions about this spot, like the Pines or Brushy Creek, you can put them down in the comments. But I'm gonna get back and prop my feet up. What's for dinner tonight? I don't know either. 73.